I'm going to show you the basics of how to make your own story game using Google Sites. So first go to Google Classroom and click on this link. When you're in Google Sites, you're going to click plus to create a site. Then you can make your game title here. So mine will be Valentine's Day, because it's almost Valentine's Day. Okay, so I don't really like the way this looks, so I'm going to click on themes. Gonna make it kind of pink. You can play around with a bunch of these to see what you like. You can even click like that to make like an exact color. Okay, I'm gonna put some text. I click on text box and I'm gonna write the beginning of my story. I want to use the second person, so write this as you because the player is going to be you. So I'll say, you can't believe it's Valentine's Day. You hate Valentine's Day. So disgusting. Everyone pretending like they're so in love. It's the worst. You get to school and find a gigantic heart on your locker. Okay, so now I'm going to give my person a couple of choices of what to do. So I click on pages and click new page. This is going to be my first choice. My first choice is rip up the heart. My second choice is going to be like, take the heart and fold it up and put it in your pocket. Okay, so those are my two choices. Now I have to go home and make some buttons. So I click first home and then insert. I'm going to scroll down to button. Then I'm like, what did I write? I'll click here to link and click rip up the heart. I have to write it again so that it shows up for the player. It's not really showing here, so I need to extend the box. And I want to make another button. Click link. So, I don't feel like typing this, so I'm going to just copy and paste it. Control C, Control V. Yay. Okay, I'm going to move this around so it's on the same level. So now if I want to see if this works, I'm going to click preview. And I see that that took me to rip up the heart. So if you continue your game, you do the exact same thing over. So again, for rip up the heart, you would say insert, scroll up, put a text box. Okay, so what happens when you rip up the heart? You rip the heart to shreds. And you can stop watching the video now if you got it. This is just some extra practice if you want to see a little bit more. You rip the heart to shreds. You throw the pieces on the ground. Your best friend runs up and shoves you against the locker. It's like, what? What is happening? So now this person would have more choices. Like they could either go, you could make a page that is yell, what's your problem? I'm gonna capitalize this. Or you could walk away. Okay. So now I need to go to Rip Up the Heart because that's the one I'm working on now. And then I will insert a button here and it's going to be the same thing where one is yell. I can copy and paste it. And another one is walk away. Ah. Okay. And then I'm like, my person who's playing this can't see it, so I'm going to make it bigger. What's your problem? Walk away. Okay. You can also add all kinds of stuff. Like you can add an image. So if I do upload, oops, I'd have to already have found something. I can do select and do search. Heart. I don't like any of these. Ooh, here's a ripped up heart. Perfect. Okay. So I can like move this around however I want. You rip up the heart. That looks pretty good. Yeah. You know, you can also make these like little if you like. Um, Bigger, smaller, play with it however you want. Change the image in the background. You get the point. Okay, and you would just keep doing that. And if you want to test it, you're going to click preview. That's it for now. Bye.